Hey guys, Nick here with EDC around the world, and I tell you what, in my opinion, the Leatherman Wave Plus is the best multi-tool that I've ever seen. It's got a lot of different features, a lot of different functions, and when you pair that with one of these Leatherman sheaths, a mass drop brass AAA flashlight with a Nichia 219 emitter, and you got yourself your extension, your Leatherman bit extender, and you got your bit kit back here. This is one of the best setups that I've ever seen. If I could go back in time, I would tell myself, buy it. Well, I guess you can't because this just came out this year. But buy a Leatherman Wave or buy a Leatherman Wave Plus. It's the best multi-tool. Hands down, it's one of the most versatile pieces of equipment. Out of all the Leathermans I've owned, it is the go-to tool. Now, I'm a do-it-yourselfer. I'm married, I have 2 kids, I have a house, and I don't rent, I don't have a landlord, you know, nobody fixes my stuff but me. I have a job, I shoot YouTube videos, I have a very busy life. And if you guys are wondering, this is a Carlisle 4-inch adjustable wrench, picked it up at Napa. Another super awesome buy or purchase, but with just these little kits, and just these little tools, it has improved my life. Yeah, pop this out real quick. And made everything easier. You know, I'm all for simplifying my life and making it easier where I can. And unfortunately, tools are a requirement, there we go, for my everyday life. It seems I'm always fixing something, something's always breaking. You know, having kids is just part of it. Your arms are kind of big, aren't they, buddy? So, when my son asked me, hey, can you fix my robot? Sure. Super easy little deal. I don't have to hunt down my tools. I can just grab my little Leatherman pouch here. And I know, I ain't got no batteries. I knew it. So, and I know that the Leatherman will take care of me. You know, it's going to be a super awesome little deal. My kids are going to be happy. I'm going to get back and do what I want to do. This way, and this way. So it's just one of those things that I wish I could show people, you know, how useful these little tools are. And I just wanted to bring you along on one of these little repairs. But in my opinion, the Leatherman Wave Plus is the best multi-tool. I think it's a perfect size. It's got a great little option of all these tools. There you go, Mr. Robot. Oh, you knocked the camera over, buddy. So, that'll make my kid happy. No. Oh, it's dancing. Turn this thing off. That's awesome. Go to sleep, little buddy. So, but if you're wondering, you know, how to make your life easier, how to make it simpler, well, just get one of these little kits. It's pulled my butt out of the fire. It's my go-to little tool to fix a lot of different things. And when you have your bit kit, you have a little adjustable wrench, your little pouch, usually I can get the job done with that. Sometimes if it's a bigger job, I have to get a different set of tools, a bigger, more job-specific set of tools. But I tell you what, I cannot live a day without my Leatherman, especially the Leatherman Wave Plus. Hands down, the best multi-tool I've ever seen. It's just well-rounded. It's a jack of all trades, and it's definitely here to stay. It's not going anywhere. So, Nick here with EDC around the world. Thanks for tagging along with me on this little robot repair, you know. My son's going to be super happy when he gets back from school and his robot's fixed. You know, it's a super simple little deal. It's a little erector set. But these are the tasks that I get put up against, and these are the tools that pull me through the job. So, Nick here with EDC around the world. What do you guys think is the best Leatherman or the best multi-tool? Comment section below, blow it up. If you're wondering about some of this stuff, you know, Leatherman Wave Plus, Carlisle 4-inch adjustable wrench from Napa, Leatherman bit kit, mass drop brass AAA flashlight with a Nichia 219 emitter, super awesome, very accurate color. And this is that new pouch that Leatherman came out with. Super cool. This came with my Leatherman Charge Plus. And yeah, I like the Leatherman Wave Plus better than the Leatherman Charge. I just do. And this is the Leatherman bit extender / adapter. So, nice little kit. One of the best things I ever did. So, Nick here with the EDC Around the World. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'll check you guys later.